Hello everyone, I'm Katrina and today I'm going to be unboxing the Illumicrate box. I want to say a huge thank you to Daphne who reached out to me to see if I would like to receive their latest Illumicrate box, and I said yes because I received one of their boxes in the past and was so impressed with it. So I couldn't pass up this opportunity, guys. I just couldn't do it. If you weren't aware, Illumicrate is a quarterly subscription box where you receive one new release book as well as about 3 to 5 other bookish goodies. Each box costs £30 and there is free shipping within the United Kingdom, but there is shipping costs outside of the United Kingdom. I also have a coupon code that you guys can use as well. It is LittleBookL10, which will give you 10% off a subscription to Illumicrate. But without further ado, let's open this up and see what we have inside. First up, we have the Illumicrate packing card that has all of the goodies inside, and then let's see what we have in here. Ooh, okay. So the first thing, oh my gosh, this is from Beauty and the Beast. Oh my gosh. We have some exclusive pieces from TJ Librano. The first is a chip door hanger that says, "Be our guest." Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm dying. And then we also have a print with Lumiere and Cogsworth that says, "Home is where the books are. Ain't that the truth?" The artwork on this is just incredibly stunning, so adorable. I love the color scheme and everything, and oh my god, I need to frame this and I need to find somewhere to put this. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. This is so pretty. So here we have a bookmark. This is also exclusive from Penguin Co, and it is handmade and it has a map on it, but this is a corner bookmark, so you kind of stick that on the corner of your page and then you've got these little bits sticking out of your book, and it's just so pretty. I've seen a lot of these kind of corner bookmark designs around everywhere. Like there's a lot of DIY ones. I've been kind of wanting to try one myself, but I'm a little bit too lazy for that. But now I have this really gorgeous one that's like honestly prettier than anything I could make. So it was worth the wait. We also have, this looks like a poster. Ooh! Oh, the colors of this is nice. Okay, so this is for Windfall by Jennifer E. Smith, and it says, "If there's one thing I know, it's that luck can change in an instant." Oh, that's really cool. But the next thing, ooh, what is this? So it says, "Tastes of blue light. Colors are lights, suffering and joy. Johann Wolfgang von Goethe." Oh, I butchered that, I bet you. Are these little postcards? Oh, I think they are. This is the first postcard. Then we have, "What happened to you, Lux Langley, to make your nightmares turn red? I will find the old Lux, and when I do, I will climb back inside her and sew myself into her skin so I never get lost again. We were magic and fearless." I really like this one. The design and the quote, that is really cool. And finally, "To art and let go." Oh my goodness. We also have a mug. And this is a Feyre mug, which is very exciting. Oh my gosh. So this is also an exclusive mug from Fur Wild with some Feyre fan art. Gosh, that's pretty. I just love the colors and the actual illustration as well, all the detail. We have this little package here. It says nutmeg and aloe. So let's see what it is in here. I think this, oh god, this is so cool. Okay, so here we have a keychain that says swish and flick. It's just really nice and blue and glittery, and there's a little wand and stars. Oh my god, this is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna have to put this on my keychain for sure. Or I can put it in my Harry Potter shrine over there. I think it might go in there for now because my keychain's getting a little too full. We also have a candle. This is from Flicker Ink, and I believe that this scent is exclusive to the box as well. It is called Mermaid Lagoon Tropical Splash. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Oh my god, that smells amazing. Definitely kind of fruity, tropical, but really refreshing as well. That's amazing. I'm gonna light this candle now. Here we also have a badge that says, "Let the Gender Games Begin." This is for the book Gender Games by Juno Dawson, and this pin is definitely gonna go on my book bag. Still need to show you guys that. I keep mentioning it. I'll get to it one day. Now we're at the bottom of the box, and there are 2 books in here, which is very exciting. So one is the main book of the box, and there's also a very special advanced reader copy, which is really exciting. So which one should I do first? I'll go with the advanced reader copy first. The arc that we received in this box is The Walking Land by Callie Bates. How beautiful is this advanced copy, guys? Oh my goodness. I've never heard of this before, but just I'm so excited about the cover. It also came with a bookmark and a letter from the author. So this follows Alana, who is being held hostage by King Antoine. It has been 14 years since her father's failed rebellion, 14 years living among the people that condemned her people to misery. And now at age 20, she's about to be taken prisoner again, but this time by her father, who wants to reignite the rebellion but use his own daughter as a figurehead for it. He decides to tell his followers that she is a sorceress, and I'm not sure if he actually knows this, but she does actually have magic. So now she's kind of faced with a choice of like, whose side is she on, and will she use her powers for mercy or revenge? This sounds epic. Oh my goodness. And last but certainly not least, we have the book in this month's box, which is Truth or Dare by Non Pratt. Also, look guys, how cool is this? So I think this is one of those books where you like read to halfway and then you flip it and you read the other half. And this is also signed by the author, which is really, really exciting. So we follow two main characters. We have Claire and we have Seth. Claire hates to be the center of attention, but if it means that she will get the attention of Seth, then she's willing to take that risk. And then we have Seth, who is willing to do anything to help his recently disabled brother, even if it means putting Claire's love and life on the line. I honestly haven't heard anything about this yet. It sounds really cool, and I've never actually read a book that's kind of like flipped side like this, so I think it'd be a really interesting experience as well. I think this does tell you to read it in a specific way. It says part 1, Claire Casey, and then part 2 is Seth Malik. If any of you have read this book, I would definitely be interested in hearing what you thought of it. And we do also have a letter from Non Pratt as well. Gosh, there was a lot in this box. See, this is why I was so excited to get another Illumicrate box, because I was just so impressed with how much stuff they fit into this one box for only £30. Like, it's pretty impressive. So here we have it for another Illumicrate box. I also do have the candle burning, so I'm not going to pick it up. Also, I don't think I could actually physically carry it because there's just so much that I'm trying to hold right now. Thank you once again to Daphne from Illumicrate for sending this box my way. I truly, truly appreciate it. Again, so impressed with all the things that we have in here. I just can't believe how much is jam-packed in here. We have 2 books, mug, and candle, all of this beautiful art and postcards and all of the fun posters and all the extra goodies. Just seriously, there's so much in here. So there you have it. That is my unboxing for the Illumicrate box. If you're interested in Illumicrate, I will leave a link to their website down below, as well as a reminder about the coupon code LittleBookOwl10 to get 10% off a purchase. But I think that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and once again, thank you so much Illumicrate for sending this box my way. I post a video every Tuesday and Friday, so be sure to hit that notification bell to be alerted when I do post a new video. But until next time, I will talk to you in the comments. Bye!